Good morning. This is your April 6th through April 9th, week 2 review. First thing that you should have in your packet actually goes with last week's lessons about plants. So the cycle of a flower, and put your name, and then I'd like you to draw me a picture of each of the steps. So draw a picture of a little seed with root, seed with leaves and roots starting to come out of the ground, small plant, and then a plant with a flower. Have fun with this. Then what will actually go with this week, here is the start of our week. Friday we do not have school. On Monday, today, there are 2 phonics videos that I'd like you to watch. They are the OI sound, O-Y and O-I. Then there will be a read aloud on dinosaurs with a question, journaling prompt, and read to self. Remember, you can choose epic or a book from home. This week, we're starting to have more things. As you can see, we're adding the phonics. So each day should not be more than 2 hours. It really won't take you very long to get some of this stuff done. Here are some extra websites once again. And remember, if you have any questions, let me know. So Tuesday, there will be a word work activity to go with your spelling words. Read aloud with no questions, just enjoy it. The journaling, read to self. Wednesday, I am assigning IXL language arts, Q1, Q2. Okay. Read aloud with a question, journal, read to self, and then another day of word work and a read aloud without a question. Your word work, you have 2 lists of your spelling, just in case you wanted to. The normal tic-tac-toe that you've seen all year. Choose some activities off of that for word work. Or this one is a hidden picture. Draw an awesome picture. I'd love for you to do it of the theme of dinosaurs this week. So draw a picture with dinosaurs and hide your spelling words in it. See if someone can find your spelling words in it after you draw your picture, color it, and hide the words. Hidden words. Use a white crayon to write a spelling word in the box, then use a colored marker to color the box, and you will reveal your hidden word. And one of the kids' favorites, write it and highlight it. If you do not have a highlighter, use a marker. And those are your word work options. Now remember, you have word work on Tuesday and Thursday, so choose one of those activities. I also added some activities in there just for enjoyment, just for fun. You don't have to get it done. We have Color Me by Dino Word. So we have some words over here and the color that each of them should be colored to reveal the picture. Dinosaur mystery picture, the color green, the color yellow. So any number in here, you color it green on your hundreds chart. Same with yellow. This will get you ready for next week's math lessons that are starting with numbers to 120. So it's good practice, but not necessary. My mystery picture is, and you can fill it in. I'll give you a hint. It goes along with our theme this week, dinosaurs. And then one activity, name and draw a dinosaur that walks on 2 legs. So name it, draw an awesome picture of it. Name and draw a dinosaur that walks on 4 legs. Name it, draw it. And on the back, name and draw a dinosaur that swims. And name and draw a dinosaur that flies. So remember, those are just extra activities. Don't feel like you need to do those, but enjoy them. Can't wait to see you guys soon. Couple weeks.